Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Excellence Brown, a graphics designer, and in this tutorial today, we are going to look at how to design a simple text effect like what you see on your screens. And this is coming up shortly, but before that, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so that when new video drops, you're going to get hold of that video. Thank you, and let's start. Alright, let's start by selecting our text tool here and then typing in our word. I'm going to type in flames, and that is the word I will use. You can choose to use any other word you think is okay, but I'm going for flames because flames matches with the tutorial I'm portraying right now. So I'm done with the flames. I'm going to enlarge this text here to make people see it wherever they are. Now let me change the color from green to white. That is what I'm doing right now. So I want to take white color and then hit OK. Now after selecting this color, we are not done. We are going to hit on this particular text and then hit Ctrl T on our keyboard. Now we come back to rotate to 180 and then we have it over here. Now the 180 means that we are rotating it to the other side to have our effect. Checking and then move to filter, come straight to stylized. The drop down menu will come again, then we select wind. Now don't select that of convert but rather rasterize, and then don't do anything here as well. You hit on OK and then we move on. Now we are not done. We come back to the filter again. The same wind is already selected here. We hit on wind. I'll come back again to filter and then hit on the wind again. Right, it's okay. So I'm done, but the last effect is to be added to filter again. Now we are not moving on to stylize, but this time around we are moving on to distort, and that is where we are also going to add a little effect to our work. Now distort is here and then we select ripple. Now I have 192 selected here. I will leave it like that, but you can adjust to the limit that you want or you prefer. This text should come back to its normal position, so I'm going to hit Ctrl T on my keyboard and then rotate this particular text back to its normal position. So Ctrl T and then rotate it very nicely to its exact position, but I have to enlarge it to be a little bigger because I want us to see whatever that we are doing very clearly. Alright, then I'll mark here. Moving straight again to image, the first one, which is mode, then we select grayscale. Now you have to flatten and then you discard. Very good. We come back to image again, the same mode, this time around not grayscale but rather indexed. We hit on that index, nothing pops up. It's okay, it's working. Image again, mode, we hit on the word and then come back to image, mode, and then the last part, which is what, color table, we hit on this one and then we hit on this place again. Now we have this body color, yes, and boom, we have our design. Very beautiful, and this is flames effect. You can use this in your subsequent designs whenever you want to use or design. Thank you very much for watching. I'm very glad that you are following my channel, and then I would be very glad that you subscribe to my channel and then hit on the like button as well. for me to be making more videos like this. Thank you very much, and we are going to meet again. Bye bye.